Hey guys, how you doing? So in the last two videos I showed you Blackhat methods, where to get accounts for threads, Instagram, VPS, proxies, everything you need to know regarding to Blackhat. As you already know and figure out, you have two ways for marketing, right? You have organic, which is good and I really like, and you have Blackhat, which can help you and not only based on luck and content. So this is going to be the third video. I'm going to show you today very special tool that my dev worked about it for a long time. You never seen something like that before. If you never heard about comment baiting, okay, what is comment baiting? So we're going to other models, okay, for example, I don't know, this one, and we're going to comment on their posts with a picture of our model and caption, okay, and by that, all the gooners who actually look at the viral posts who got viral gonna see our picture in the comments and probably gonna check our page because they think you talk to them or whatever, and that's gonna bring traffic to your page through other viral posts. And then we're gonna send them from there to Telegram, directly to FunView, whatever your funnel is. So I'm gonna show you right now. The bot here is doing everything for you, so you don't need to do anything. Just set up the account. Yeah. So how do you get actually this feed? It's really important because we want to show Threads algo that you were interested in this niche in AI girls. Okay, so you're gonna follow 10 AI girls. So first find account which is AI girl. You can check, just find one, let's say this girl. You're gonna follow her, then you're gonna go here, okay, you're gonna go follow 10 profiles, and you're gonna follow more 9 girls. What's gonna happen next, your profile, your homepage is gonna be full of AI girls, as you can see here. Now let's go to the settings. Okay, so as you can see, I do maximum 50 posts per session because I don't want my threads to get banned. Also, by the way, these bots are way more safer than published captions, what the last bot I showed in my video is doing. Okay, because it's like just natural interactions. It can also warm up your account more because way more chances people will check your account. So 50 posts, okay, maximum per session. Delay between actions, I do 30 to 120. You can make it maybe a little bit more, you know, like 40 to 150, make it more like the range bigger. I'll choose also to like the post because I think it's just natural for the algorithm. You know, if you comment, so you also like, it's just normal. It's gonna stimulate typing and human behavior, really important. We don't want copy paste, which a lot of bots are doing, low level bots. Actions per hour, I'm gonna do 15. It's safe, just leave it as it is. That's what I can recommend. Of course you can test, see what's working good for you, but this is what I'm using. Avoid duplicate posts. So I don't want to duplicate to comment on the same post because no sense, and then also look weird for the algorithm. You can also avoid duplicate users, but I don't do it because if user got 2 viral posts, so why not comment on 2 posts, right? We have scroll protection. The bot gonna scroll a little bit and yeah, just gonna help you, so keep it as it is. We can use AI to comment, to generate the comments. So it's gonna read what the person with the model just published, and then it's gonna generate a comment based on that, which is really powerful. Let's say she said, I'm from US and I like old men. So if you, let's say if your model is from I don't know, from Thailand, so it will write like, I'm from Thailand and I like old men, and then you're gonna get more traffic. I like to use, to be honest, just very general comments, as you can see here. Okay, and you can generate that by ChatGPT. Mostly it's fine. Like no reason for me to spend API calls, you know, for ChatGPT. Media management. So you're gonna upload here images, okay, of your model that we're gonna use to comment with this image. That's all the point here. We're gonna also repeat the images when it finishes, so you don't need to load all of them again and again. More important stuff regarding to images, guys. There is something called spoofing. You cannot upload the same images from like 50 or 100 accounts. It doesn't work, okay? So you need to spoof the image, what will make the image a little bit different for the algorithm, and then you're good to go. So if you want to know how to do it, for the people who buying the bot, so they're gonna get a free spoofer and tutorial how to use it. And you can also reach out to me on Telegram, and I would love to help you with that. Perfect. So we talked about the comments. Now, really important thing here for the settings. There are really a lot of settings here, but I hope you are with me, right? So I want minimum likes of 60 because I don't want posts that not get viral or without attention. 3,000 likes maximum because I think it's 3,000 is like the most of them. I never see like so many posts above this number. Minimum comments we want 10, maximum comments we want 3,000. Also, all these settings will be as JSON, so you can import that and no need to think too much. So also I will give you that if you purchase. Time of the post. So I want 15 hours ago. Okay, like if it's above 15 hours, so it just the post like not probably almost will not be visible on the homepage. As you can see, all the posts here are like 2 hours ago, 1 hour ago. You see 10 hours ago. So yeah, all the posts here like 17 hours ago. So we want this range. Perfect. So I will interact with text and media, okay, and text only. If text get viral, so why not? But mostly it's gonna be text and media, photos and text. And language filtration, I'm gonna work only with English post for sure. Gonna exclude Russian, Ukrainian, and Japanese, Korean. We don't want that. That's why, by the way, we are following 10 American OFMs or like AMOs because we want our homepage to look legit. Okay, we want that in English, not in these languages. Sometimes when you buy accounts, so you know they're, I don't know, maybe from Bangladesh for example, so your homepage gonna look like shit. So you have to follow 10 gears. And yeah, and that's it. That's it. So now I want to show you how the bot is working. So here, already loaded everything, and yeah, as you can see, post here like really low amount of I don't know, like likes, but let's start. So it started work. As you can see, it's like the post. Now it's will open and write a reply. So as you can see, it's gonna write like human behavior, which is really good. And let's see, I don't think it will make yeah, it will also have a photo, as you can see, and posting. And now it's gonna take like a break, of course, and then go into the next one. As we said, like 30 to 120 seconds. This is the interval. And yeah, by that, guys, you also can also see, maybe I can show you that, I'm not sure, no. But when you close the browser, let's do it like that. Okay, so I'll just explain to you. So when you minimize the browser, so you're gonna see the status. Okay, this status, so it's very good. You don't need to open all the accounts. You can see how many likes have done, how many comments, how many photos published. So it's really powerful. And just let it run, guys. Okay, and it's really powerful. Yeah, so if you're interested in this bot, you have a link down below. It's crypto payment. When you complete the payment, you're gonna get the zip file. You just load it as an extension. Also use AdsPower, which is really important. Okay, I also give you also my suppliers if it's mobile proxy where I'm buying the accounts and everything. So it's going to be very organized. So you're actually getting full tutorial how to set up all of that. And yeah, start to generate traffic, guys. Organic is good. I really like organic, but you cannot rely on organic. This bot is really insane. So if you have any more questions, can DM me also on Telegram, and see you on the next video. Peace.